Hello, in this video we're going to talk about pin placement and part creation in Cadence OrCAD. Regardless of your ECAD tool that you're using, you want to place your pins on the standard grid. The standard grid is typically 0.1 thousandths of an inch apart from each other as far as your dots are concerned. So for instance, if I were to go into options and then look at my spacing, the pin-to-pin spacing is 0.1 inches. And to see this a bit better, we can go to Options, Preferences, and change the grid display to lines. Set your grid spacing to 1 to 1 of pin to pin. Sometimes you'll see it in 1 to 2, 1 to 5, or 1 to 10. My preference is 1 to 1. So, whenever you see pins placed off grid or on half grid, or something that's not the standard, you'll get this problem where most of your components align with the grid quite nicely once you pull them out of the library, but one part or a few parts just do not align. They align in the middle of the grid. I would not recommend changing your entire grid just to accommodate parts. It's better to just go into your library of components, into your .olb, or if you're using a different software, it would be in your library package. If it's in Altium or something like that, and then modifying the part so that the pins end up on the dots of your grids, not off grid. Okay. So once you've adjusted your device pins to be on grid, you want to save that and update it. And then what you'll do is go into your schematic, remove any parts that are not being on the grid, that are not on the grid properly. Clear your design cache by right-clicking and choosing to clean up the cache. Going back to your library, refreshing the library, and then placing the part again. Now your schematic symbol for your part, for this resistor, is in alignment with the grid, and you can easily connect your pins. Thanks for watching. Check out the next video if you want to learn more about PCB design and how to do proper PCB design in your ECAD tool.